Before updating DJI RS2, make sure the battery level is above 20%. Assemble and balance RS2. To learn how to balance the device, please watch Balancing Your RS2. Press and hold the gimbal power button to turn on the gimbal. Launch the Ronin app and select Connect to Ronin. Select RS2 in the list. If a new firmware version is released, a pop-up window in the Ronin app will appear, asking whether you want to update. Tap Update Now to start the firmware update. Do not turn off the device or exit the app during the update. After the update has been completed, there will be a pop-up window alerting you that the update has been successful. Tap Exit, and you can begin using the device with the latest firmware. If the update fails, restart the device and the Ronin app, and try again.
Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.